Hello everybody, this is UniBye speaking, and today we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. Today we're going to be doing the Collecting Cliffside quest. So what we're going to do is, one, to just go into this 5B area over here. Just get spider field honey, which is only white honey, white pollen. You want to collect some pollen here. If you want to collect white pollen here, this is I think the only place with only white pollen. Like, it's a white pollen exclusive type thing. Like other fields, they have a red, it's like a red pollen field, it's like a red field. But, it, also has like white honey, blue honey in it. I'm calling it honey when it's like pollen. But okay, we're just getting some pollen. So I'm slowing down the videos. I decided that I'm not gonna kill myself. One video a day is decent, I guess. Daily videos, pretty good. I'm not editing them. I could do like, if anything, I could do like 20 a day if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna. My mental health wouldn't allow me to do that for too long, or else I'd like die. So, we're just like playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I really hope that like we can do different videos, do more videos. Remember, there is a 15 subscriber special. Almost there, so if you like subscribe, then like that'd be cool. So we can hit that 15 subscriber special video. If you want to see me just post daily videos, you should hit the notification bell if you just want to see my content. But you don't have to. Just a subscribe would be nice. So yeah, white pollen is not my specialty. I'm gonna go with a red hive. Because red hives they're cool. I like red. Red is a favorite color of mine. There's like 4 favorite colors. Like red, orange, black, green. There's a specific green. It's like lime green or like emerald green. I also like purple. That's like 5. Darn. I guess I'm just like really color enjoyment. We have 20,000 pollen left that we need to get from here anyway. Can't believe it's 250,000 pollen. Well, we're almost done anyway, so okay, we're done. Now we can just move on over to the red pollen. This will be like a lot easier because red pollen is specialty. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. As you can see, we gained 20 in less than like 5 minutes. So I think we're pretty good with red honey. We'll just place a little sprinkler right there. Boop-a-doo-boo, boop-a-doo-boo, bidda-ba-diddle-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. We will be doing a Funky Friday video, I think tomorrow, or when new update comes out. I will be covering like updates for the games I play too, like Beast from Simulator updates coming soon. I'll be covering Funky Friday updates, just updates of games you'll be seeing frequently on the channel. So what we are doing right now is just chilling out. Gaining pollen. We're already almost halfway there. So, yeah. This game is amazing. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, and you're seeing this one, I do recommend watching my other videos, because people say I have alright content. I recommend my parkour videos more though. They're more like action-packed and stuff. So, yep. Funky Friday videos, they're alright. The Beast Swarm, you're watching one right now. They can get boring. I had like an hour one. I have an hour one up like right now. So, yep, I don't know. This game, I did not think it'd be like it become as big as it is now, because it's getting toys. Roblox games are getting toys and stuff. I'm like, that's pretty cool and interesting. I wonder how they're getting toys. And then I look at them and how popular they are. I'm like, damn, that's really popular. I really think that I shouldn't buy these toys. And I see Beast, I'm like, yeah, I'll get one of those toys. And so, there's that for you. Okay. We are like, we have 10 subscribers. That's pretty good. 10 subscribers. It doesn't really surprise me. Bamboo Field time. Before we go to Bamboo Field, though, I think, no, we can do it. We can do it. We can go over here and do it. We have 2 rhino beetles, both level 2, so we just got that. If it does get full, we can just get to the auto converter up there, use it. I don't think it'd be that expensive. Yeah. I might be recording less on the weekends. Might not even record on the weekends, depending on what's happening. And so, I'll post something about, like, weekend on, like, certain days and stuff that I know I'm gonna be busy. And if I'm not busy that day, or if I just have time on my phone, I'll just, like, record a micless video. It's like a quick little, like, probably like 10-minute video or something. So yeah, that's how built we are right now. Is me deciding when thing. Honestly, this can't, like, I'm pretty sure this game, it can't get better. It's good as it is. It's a pretty good game. Like, I used to play this game a bit. My friend got me back into it. And now I'm just, like, here forever. Beast Farm is a pretty good game. And I think I cater to him too in these Beast Farm videos. Feedback would really help a lot if you guys would give me feedback on what I should do with the videos. Cause I don't know, like, I'm just a simple little guy. I'm a small person. I'm a small little YouTube guy. Make silly little YouTube videos. Yeah. I'm just like gaming now, doing my own thing. Yeah, I just want feedback. Cause if I don't have feedback, then like I'll just don't know what to do. That's why I ask people for video ideas. Cause like I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do today with like posting stuff, and so then I'll like not post. That's why I didn't post a third video yesterday, was because I'm like, don't know what to post. And so I just posted 2 videos yesterday without like any really explanation. I was planning on just doing 3 videos a day. I'm just gonna post how many I want. 1, 2, 4. Max I'll probably do is 5. If I'm like just like really bored that day, just don't know what to do, I'll just like record some like Beast Farm videos or something. Make like a 3-hour long special. I'm not gonna make a 3-hour long special at all unless I hit like 300,000 subscribers or like 500,000. When I get my first play button, that's when I'll that's when I will do a multiple hour long special. That's when I'll do a full on like multi-hour video. Now that I look at it, it's pretty beefed, bro. Damn. So yeah, when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I know it's like when I get to 1,000, I'll do a special thing. I'm not gonna say a face reveal. I'm not even sure if I'll do one. But I am sure that we will hit 1,000 subscribers one day. Not sure when, but I do know that we will get to 1,000 subscribers. And look at that. We have all the pollen we need to go talk to Black Bear and get another quest. It's taking me 15 minutes. I have done some like questing off camera. Nice job. 3 more quests. I need 3 more. Oh wow. This is gonna need its whole video. A whole different video. So I guess I'm going to be cutting it short. But this is where I'm going to be ending the video off. Hope you had a good day. Join the Discord, link in the description. Like and subscribe. Sayonara.